It's about that time of year where we get the hankering to go on a road trip. We made last-minute plans to head up the West Coast and stop at some of our favorite places along the way.
Thanks to Chromebook for sponsoring this video.
Before we left, we ordered some road snacks. That was fast.
Checked if they were good. They were.
Packed the essentials. Locked the essentials.
We were just in time for LA traffic. You worried too much, babyface.
Clock some miles. Fill up the tank.
After 7 hours, we finally made it to our digs for the night.
Asked for the Michael Jordan room. Got the Michael Jordan room. Whew. Woke up in Big Sur.
One of us had leftovers for breakfast.
One of us was just regular. Put on our tourist pants and hats.
Found the cutest face. My mom would love this. Doodled on the way to explore Big Sur.
Found a lookout that looked promising.
It was.
Check out that blue water.
That's not a good photo?
No.
Made the trek to the second stop of the day. Nailed this heel click. Slow-mo walked through this tunnel.
Looked at some more blue water. More vistas that left us satisfied and smiling. More driving, a bridge or two, and more photos.
We finally made it to our last stop before sunset.
Stretched our legs and basked in some sun.
Glimpsed my future watercolor sunset-packed retirement.
Next morning, we woke up outside of San Francisco and caught up on some editing. Battery still going strong.
Good morning.
Back in the car, sang a song, and arrived at Sutro Baths.
It's finally nice to see you.
Saw some old familiar friends waiting just around the bend.
Left San Francisco, but not before putting on our tourist pants one more time.
Took some winding roads through the Point Reyes National Seashore.
Found a never-before-seen boat. Followed by a never-before-seen tunnel of cypress trees.
This is great and all, but it's not dramatic enough.
That's better. Twisted through some more hills until the last bit of sunlight dipped.
Filled up the tank again. And before we knew it, we woke up in Shasta.
Rachel brought the sass to the comments section when our Monday video went live.
Back on the road, but first we had to say bye to Shasta. Filled up the tank again.
We then video chatted with my cousin about a top secret project. We actually probably shouldn't show you his face, or let you hear his voice. Drove until we hit some fog. Couldn't resist it.
I don't know, is this dramatic enough?
Finally made it to our digs in Portland.
We ran out of energy, but our Chromebook didn't, so we watched a movie on it.
We still had some work to do, so we finished out the script for this video. Still haven't had to charge this thing.
Jumped back in our trusty car and set out in search of some waterfalls.
Made it to our first stop. It was a short one.
Made it to our next stop. I wish people would stop setting nature on fire for Instagram sizzlers.
Finally found some waterfalls.
Boy, did we.
Back in the city. Bought a print from a promising young photographer.
The perfect end to a perfect trip.
Well, it's not dramatic enough.
I don't know, is this dramatic enough?
Cool.
Looks so good.